We got our jack ready, and got our back wheel blocked there. We got our emergency brakes on. So we're gonna get this wheel off.
Got it. I go.
Got my brother helping me out here. Okay, we got a towel.
I mean, the cap is easy to take off. I would do it like.
I'm gonna pop your hood here and take some of the fluid out of your brake master cylinder, because it may spill over when you put your new pads on. So you can either put a rag under there, but take care of that. And we're gonna push the caliper back. I'm gonna take the screwdriver and slide it. See how I pull back, I got it. Get my piston to move back. I think that's it. I'll take these screws off now. I have a 9/16 deep well socket here. Keep the bottom one loose. And just spin it here. I have a wire here. I'm going to take and pull my cover off. Sometimes you might need something to wedge it off. I'm going to take and stick it through here and let that hold that up out of the way while my brakes off. Get my pads off. Just going to tie it right there. A little higher than that. Just about the way. Remove my brakes. That's it. The brake that's off. Put some on my caliper. That's this one there. Put some on my rotor. This is one with the little wear here and there. Just put them back to where you got them. This is my inner pad here with the wear clip there. And my front brake pad there. You put your loop wherever you need to put it. Just slide them in place. And you're good to go. Put your caliper back on top there. Just line it up. Two bolts back in there. Screw them by hand, just as far as you can go. Just tighten them back down. check the brake lines while you're under here, and the rubber part which is not cracked. Everything looking good. Make sure you go to the nice and tight. Alright, diversity 2, changing the brakes on this 2014 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Ready to roll.